Hello everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video we are going to show you how to go live on Facebook from the Meta Business Suite. Just before we do though, don't forget to hit that like button down below for support and consider subscribing to the channel if you are new here. Let's get into it. The first place we want to go to is the home page of the Meta Business Suite. We want to look for the More button and we want to click on it. This will then bring up a couple of different options for us to choose from. We want to go down to the Go Live option and click on it. And once we have done that, we are going to be then taken to the Studio section where we can start setting up our live stream. The first option we want to choose is just going live straight away. So let's go to the Go Live section and click on Select. What we're then going to be doing is setting up the basic fundamentals of going live here on Facebook. And there are a couple of interesting things that you need to remember. The first one is adding in the post details. So you can see in the top right hand section here that there are two things that you need to add in. One, a title, which is what your video is all about, and a quick description to outline what the video is going to be covering. And you can see here we've now got a title and we've also got a description as well. Let's hit the save button and move on to the next section, which is the video source. Now, there are two options here. Once again, if you have streaming software, you can select this option that allows you to connect StreamYard or whatever other software you have connected to go live on Facebook, or you can select the simple option, which is the webcam on your computer. That is the option that we're going to go with today. We then come down to the camera controls, which allows you to select what camera you have if there is more than one option, and also the audio option too. And you can see here we have got the microphone connected in here, which is great. We can then see a preview of what our live stream is going to look like today with the video section here. And hello everyone, this is me talking into the mic. And on to the left hand side, we can see a couple of other things. These don't matter if you are just wanting to go live on your very first video, but let's show you what they are anyway. We have the settings button, which allows you to have a look at the viewer section, and it allows you to enable viewers to rewind and to message you if you want. You can see the comments section, which enables you to choose who can comment on the live stream, the interactivity, which is the polls, questions, graphics, the distribution, and if you are monetized, your ability to earn from that particular live stream. But we're going to go back to the stream setup, and we are happy with everything over here. So once all of this is set and done, we simply select on the Go Live button, and that is slowly going to let our stream start. And you'll be able to tell that it is live as soon as you see the live button in the top left-hand corner. We're going to come and end the live video now, and this allows you to end the broadcast altogether, and we want to select end. Make sure you've clicked that, and that will then end the live broadcast for you on your Facebook page. So there you have it, a nice, simple and easy walkthrough on how to go live on your Facebook page through the Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And as always, have a wonderful day. See you later.